We've also got to ask you about bedroom makeover. We often talk about bedrooms. What we've got one to look at actually. What did you do to take it from you know, not so fab? Well, yeah, from drab to fab. You know, get in the hang of the lingo.
I did this one on Tuesday and Wednesday of last week, just overnight. So this was actually my chippy's house. He just bought it out in just at the foot of the Blue Mountains, and you can see that the old bedroom, it was pretty drab.
Very romantic for a chippy, isn't it?
Yes. Well, that little macrame, or how did you say it?
Macrame.
Macrame. That was actually, that got made for them for their wedding. They're newlyweds, so they're crazy in love. And so that actually became sort of like the tone for their bedroom. They very much, you can see, it's like there's nothing wrong with that bedroom. It's structurally fine. It's just cosmetically challenged.
That's so nice.
I know.
That is the nicest way to put it.
You shouldn't call people's house ugly, but you know, we love ugly houses. But anyway, cosmetically challenged. So what I did here is I painted the walls and installed some VJ paneling. Behind the bed is your strategic focal wall. So instead of just painting that, I actually stuck VJ paneling on, which again you just get from Bunnings. I painted it in a beautiful colour called Taubman's Sprig of Ivory. It's a beautiful soft green. It's very much in nature. You could actually put those botanical cushions in that bedroom and that would look beautiful. You can see it had a weird window pelmet, it had brown blinds, it had grey carpet that'd seen better days. So I did invest money here. They love the boho Scandi look, so obviously a lot lighter tones. I spent some decent money on those lights. They're from Beacon Lighting, so that's where I did spend money. This is a $2,000 bedroom makeover, so not $10,000, still reasonably affordable.
Yeah, but big transformation.
Yeah, and the tiles we got from Bunnings for $12.90 a square metre, so you don't need to go crazy, you know, spending copious amounts of money. Just got a blind from Blinds on the Net, some beautiful white sheer curtains, a timber blind so that matched the timber light, so there's design continuity. And here's a little tip that most people probably don't know. Timber blinds are better in your bedrooms. The timber blades are quieter than a metal blade.
Oh, there you go. But I'm also thinking, so did you fit out the whole bed, the rug, everything for
$2,000? And most of that is just like from stores like Kmart, Target.
I find rugs are so expensive.
It doesn't have to be expensive. Like stores like Kmart and Target, they have incredible homewares range now, and you can get cushions from $10, $12, $15. You don't need to spend $300 on a cushion.
And James, why do you reckon that works?
I think that it's got a beautiful soft muted palette, which is fantastic for a bedroom, and I really like how you picked up the neutral timber tones and repeated it. So if you notice the picture when you were looking, there's a beautiful, you know, geometric lights which also throw a nice effect on the wall on that VJ boards. And also in the corner there was a little wicker basket in the just to the left, which was just repeating that theme. So it's a nice soft space. We talk about bedrooms a lot, Chris, and you alluded to this when we came into it, because it's a room that people think, oh, I've got to show the lounge room off in the kitchen because we live out there. But the bedroom is your space. It's the space you know, disappear into. When you've got a teenage kid, my 13-year-old, we don't see her anymore. She's in the bedroom. Those rooms are important nurturing spaces for us, and that's a beautiful palette for, especially for a chippy.
Well, I bet her bedroom is beautiful. I wouldn't probably come out if I had a bedroom.
No, she's got a good bedroom.
I don't think they've come out of their bedroom now.
She'll come back out again when she's a teenager, a bit older. And we all like each other again.
Yeah, her time will come. Her time will come. We've all been there. Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
James, Cherie.